Tired of your scientific notations or mathematical equations looking like a jumbled mess in your Word documents? Today, we are going to learn how to elevate your document formatting game, literally, by mastering Superscripts and Subscripts in Microsoft Word. Alright, let's jump right in. First, type the text you want to format in your Word document. For our first example, let's use H2O. Now, select the 2 in H2O. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. In the font section, you'll see two small X's with either a 2 above or below them. Click the Subscript button. The one with the 2 below the X. Voila, the 2 is now Subscript, correctly displaying the chemical formula for water. Next, let's try a superscript type X squared. Select the 2 in X squared. This time, click the Superscript button. The one with the 2 above the X. Perfect, the 2 is now Superscript, showing X squared. For more options, click the small arrow in the corner of the font section. This opens the font dialog box. Here, you can also find the Superscript and Subscript checkboxes. This is especially helpful if you need to quickly switch between the two. You can also use shortcut Command Ctrl plus equals for Subscript and Ctrl plus Shift plus equals for Superscript. And that's all there is to it. Now you can confidently add Superscripts and Subscripts to your Word documents. Be sure to subscribe for more Word tips and tricks.